Hello, welcome to another podcast of Master Investor. Glad to be here again on another valuable talk on money, business, and investment. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company and brand here at Master Investor. Subscribe to our podcast and make sure to follow us on all other social media platforms. We are delivering daily content on money so that you can empower yourself and focus on building the asset column with real assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. Today, we're going to be speaking about mastering entrepreneurship skills for online wealth building. That's today's title, and today's golden rule is an asset puts money in our pocket whenever we are not working. Okay, that's how we know if it's an asset. Okay, it has to make money right now. We have to collect the money. If it's not doing that, then it's not real, and it's not a real asset. Today is March 12, 2024. In today's digital age, the internet has opened unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurship and wealth creation. Whether we are starting an e-commerce venture, launching a digital service, or building an online community, mastering essential entrepreneurship skills is crucial for success. Here are key skills that aspiring online entrepreneurs must cultivate to build wealth in the digital realm. Number one, adaptability and resilience. Online entrepreneurship is dynamic and consistently evolving. Adapting to changing market trends, technological advancements, and consumer behaviors is essential for long-term success. Cultivate resilience to navigate setbacks, pivot when necessary, and bounce back stronger from challenges. Number two, creativity and innovation. In a crowded online marketplace, creativity and innovation are paramount for standing out from the competition. Develop the ability to generate unique ideas, create compelling products or services, and innovate solutions to meet the evolving needs of our target audience. Number three, digital literacy and tech savvy. As an online entrepreneur, proficiency in digital tools, platforms, and technologies is non-negotiable. Master essential digital skills such as website development, search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email automation, and data analytics to effectively leverage online channels for business growth. Number four, market research and customer understanding. Successful online businesses are built on a foundation of deep market research and understanding of customer needs. Invest time in conducting thorough market analysis, identifying target demographics, and gathering insights to tailor our products or services to meet specific customer demands. Number five, sales and marketing acumen. Effective sales and marketing skills are essential for driving traffic, generating leads, and converting prospects into paying customers. Learn persuasive copywriting, conversion optimization techniques, and strategic sales tactics to maximize the impact of our marketing efforts and increase revenue. Number six, financial management and financial planning. Sound financial management is critical for sustainable growth and profitability. Develop the ability to create and manage a business plan, an investment plan, track expenses, forecast cash flow, and make informed financial decisions to optimize resources and maximize returns on investment. Number seven, networking and relationship building. Building meaningful connections and cultivating a strong network is invaluable for online entrepreneurs. Engage with industry peers, mentors, influencers, and potential collaborators to gain insights, seek support, and access opportunities for partnership and growth. Number eight, time management and productivity. With the freedom and flexibility of online entrepreneurship comes the responsibility of effective time management and productivity. Master time management techniques, prioritize tasks, and establish routines to maximize efficiency and focus on high-impact activities that drive business growth. Number nine, continuous learning and adaptation. The online landscape is constantly evolving, requiring entrepreneurs to commit to lifelong learning and continuous adaptation. Stay updated on industry trends, emerging technologies, and best practices through courses, workshops, and industry publications to maintain a competitive edge. Number 10, risk management and decision making. Entrepreneurship inherently involves risk, but successful entrepreneurs are skilled at managing and mitigating risk effectively, develop strong decision-making abilities, weigh the pros and cons of potential opportunities, and embrace calculated risks that align with a long-term vision and goals. In conclusion, building wealth as an online entrepreneur requires mastering a desired set of skills that encompass adaptability, creativity, digital literacy, market understanding, sales acumen, financial management, networking, time management, continuous learning, and risk management. By honing these essential entrepreneurship skills, aspiring online entrepreneurs can navigate the complexities of the digital landscape, seize opportunities, and achieve sustainable wealth and success in the online realm. And remember, it's all about taking massive action when it comes to building our wealth, right? We need to focus on turning our money that we have into passive income and capital gains income, and the only way we can do that is through sound investing. And we need to have financial education. That's why all of these live streams that we're doing are important to consume, to understand, to write down some notes, to put down what we learn. If something inspire you, write it down on your phone, make a note, right? And make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think down below. If you have any questions, your feedback is highly appreciated. We're here every single day doing a podcast and of course a live stream. So if you're on our podcast and you haven't been to our YouTube channel, make sure you head over there, because we're literally going to be doing a live stream every day. We're going to show people how to make money from home using the internet, and so that we can live through purpose in life, so that we can live through our passions and we can enjoy life the way we want to. That's the whole goal about being on the fast track when it comes to money. We need to have at least $2,700 coming in every day. If we do that, then we have $1 million cash flow every single year. And it's not much, $2,700, when you have systems in place doing the selling and selling for us. But we need to understand these entrepreneurship skills that we mentioned today on this podcast, because it's going to help us approach money and business with the wealthy mindset. It's going to give us the business principles that work in all economies when we apply the entrepreneurship skills that we talked about today. So let me know what you learned, and I will be talking to you soon on the next live stream. So make sure that we stay connected, take massive action. Let me know if you want to get started building your asset column. We have plenty of content to help you do that. And I'll see you inside of our inner circle. Talk to you on the next podcast, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Bye for now.